New home versus resale property. Very important question. Is it better to buy a new home or an older home? The crazy thing is that not nearly enough people talk about these two specific factors that I'm about to tell you. Most buyers think it's an easy choice. Buy new and you'll have less issues with the property. You'll have less competition to get into the property. And yeah, a brand new home will have less maintenance and less competition. But here's the rub. A new home doesn't come with things like window coverings, backyard landscaping, and other upgrades that a resale might have. These are going to be your responsibility after you close, and this can cost way more than you think. Resale homes can be in a well-established neighborhood, have complete traditions, warm vibes, things that you just may not be thinking about. New communities are construction zones that are just getting started and they don't have that same feeling. So those are things to consider when you're deciding between a new construction and a resale.